Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to go through dollar yen, as this is a top market to watch for us this week due to the risk in the markets at the moment. Now, we outlined in previous videos the seasonal bias towards the US dollar is bearish this time of year. We've also outlined that there is a lot of risk in the market. We talked about in our week ahead analysis video that the new COVID variant could add some risk in the market, and that's what I'm kind of feeling in line with what's going on at the moment. There's a lot of, I'd say, tension in the market. We've seen a lot of range bound movements, and there's not really the explosive impulsive phases at the moment, especially across the major currencies. We've also got Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell testifying this week. He has already talked about speeding up tapering measures, so that's almost a positive for the US dollar. But what this is basically trying to do is fight inflation, and if inflation falls, then the dollar could react to that, and we are seeing some downside to the US dollar in the short term. However, due to the overall factoral risk in the market, I really like the opportunity to continue to buy yen. We showed on the strength meter before that the yen was getting stronger, and I quite like the opportunity to look at selling dollar yen this week, or at least look for some bearish opportunities in the market. Now, again, the reason being, lots of risk in the market. The yen makes sense to trade, or makes sense to at least look to buy it against weakening currencies. Okay, now if we take a look at the bigger picture on the weekly time frame, we can see that pretty much for the entire year of dollar yen, we've seen some upside. We were doing videos at the start of the year talking about buying the dollar yen due to different reasons in the market, and we've seen this huge rally, and now price is kind of capped around about this 114.30, or if we kind of look at it, it hit with 115, a major swing level, and we're starting to see that retracement phase due to that risk sentiment in the market. And now, if price, however, is going to sort of pull back, where could it pull back to? So the one thing I like to do is identify the trend in the market. It's clear that the trend is to the upside. However, due to fundamental reasons, we could start to see a retracement phase. In that retracement phase, what I like to look for is opportunities to pull back to support and resistance, and this sort of 111.67 or around about this 112 level is an interesting level of support and resistance. If we're going to pull back down to this point, over on this 4-hour time frame, what we should see is a downward trend, and you can see that price has broken through multiple lows on dollar yen. We've pulled back up, we retested this 113.80 structure. The market is now pushed to the downside. Again, we formed a lower high in here around about the 113.50, and we've started to see some further downside from this point. So what I would really like to look for is short opportunities. Now, one opportunity I'm going to look for is the break and retest of the lows. If we can break below this swing low here, retest the structure, find resistance, find sellers, we could look for a short opportunity down to this 111.70 area. Alternatively, if price was to pull back once more, react from this zone through here, we could see another move to the downside. So that's what I'm looking for here on dollar yen. I'm looking for bearish opportunities in line with the risk sentiment in the market and in line with the US dollar seasonal bearish pattern. Hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I will speak to you in the next video. Cheers.